How does betrayal affect trust in relationships? Hello and welcome to my channel, my friend. Cheating means breaking the contract in marriage or an emotional relationship. This issue can create a severe psychological burden on the relationship and its parties. A cheating relationship is a secret relationship of one of the couple with another person, which can create a sense of destruction, loneliness, and confusion on the other side of the relationship. Trust, which is one of the most important aspects of a relationship, is severely damaged. Trust is essential in relationships because it gives you the opportunity to relax, be yourself, and depend on the other person. Betrayal often leads to intense emotional pain. The betrayed individual may experience feelings of sadness, anger, humiliation, and a sense of being emotionally vulnerable. These emotions can make it challenging to rebuild trust and may result in a guarded approach to future relationships. It provides the security you need to turn to another person for comfort, reassurance, help, and affection. 2. Betrayal can instill a fear of recurrence in the betrayed person. They may become hypervigilant, constantly looking for signs of potential betrayal in future relationships. This fear can make it difficult to fully open up and trust others, as they may anticipate similar hurtful experiences. If the video has been useful to you so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. 3. After betrayal, communication within the relationship can become strained. The betrayed individual may find it hard to express their emotions and concerns openly, fearing that they may not be understood or that their vulnerability will be exploited. This can hinder effective communication and further hinder the rebuilding of trust. 4. Rebuilding trust after betrayal often requires significant efforts from both parties involved. The betrayer person may require consistent reassurance from the betrayer, seeking proof of their commitment and sincerity. Rebuilding trust involves transparency, honesty, accountability, and a demonstrated willingness to make amends. 5. Rebuilding trust after betrayal is a complex and individual process. It often requires open communication, empathy, patience, and a commitment from both parties to address the underlying issues and work towards rebuilding trust. Professional help, such as therapy or counseling, can also be beneficial for individuals and couples navigating the aftermath of betrayal. I appreciate that you make me visible by liking and sharing.